Guys, we're here at Dollar General
Do we need
store.
the
We're
cart?
gonna buy
Do we
the
need
cheapest food.
Do we need
And I let my little one to get budget for 50 cents. Let's see how good he is, okay? That's your budget, right? 50 cents? Here.
Cart?
Yes. Yes, here. It's a 50 cents. Look. You see, baby boy?
My thing is $10.
No, $5. Ay, 5 cents. And guys, Dollar General na 50% off siya. Ito. Ito yung mabibili mo sa Dollar General, guys. Meron silang mga tindang gulay. May saging na rin. Dati wala silang tindang ganyan, guys. Pero ngayon, titinda na sila. Tsaka yung mga snacks, mga juice. Ayan, yan. What is that? What is that? Jay, go get the Coke, Daddy. 346. Do you like Sprite too? Did they said Sprite?
I think up here.
Do you like Sprite? Get 3 Sprite. Is that Sprite too? 346.
Section?
Huh?
Yes, Kaylee, you can.
What?
Can I go to the makeup section?
Makeup?
Makeup?
Makeup? What's that? That's fine. You have budget. $1.
Do you want to go with me?
Go with the toys. It's open?
We got them.
Yes, 3. Guys, it's sale in Dollar General. 3 for $6. Ang mahal na ng soda, guys, ng soft drinks. Kaya, pag sale, samantalahin natin. Okay? Nakakasira ng budget yung sale, pero walang magagawa. Sa susunod na lang yung imbis na yung bibilin mo, na kailangan mo, na hindi mo pa naman kailangan, na iyon ang gusto mong i-stock. Go get 3 more Coke because it's good sale. It's 3 for 6. Go get 6. And kaya nasisira yung budget natin, guys, dahil sa mga sale na yan. Pero wala tayong pag sale, guys, hindi kailangan i-grab mo kaagad yan kasi bibihira lang yan eh. Kaya kailangan samantalahin natin. Yung mga bibilin pa natin sa susunod sana, ay yung bibilin natin dapat, sa susunod na lang natin bibilin yun. Kasi yung budget natin, nabili na natin sa mga sale. Wala tayong magagawa, gan talaga. Do you wanna get some candies, Nak? Which one? You wanna mint? No. Actually, dito sa Dollar General, kahit papano, meron silang $1. Hindi kagaya sa $3, nagbago na. Kaya minsan, mas okay pang pumunta ng Dollar General. Kasi parang medyo mura pa kagaya ng Whoppers. Yan, paborito ko to eh. It's just $1?
Yep.
How much? Are you
$1
sure?
only. That's $1. Only $1.
That's a big size.
Yeah.
Go get 10. Paborito ko yan eh. Padala natin sa Are you sure that's only $1?
Yep.
That's good. Yan, pagka magpapabox kayo, dito na lang kayo bumili, guys. Sa Dollar General. I'm going to send that to Philippines. Yan. $1, 50 pesos. Sa $3 dati, lahat yun 50 pesos lang. Kasi nagbago sila, guys eh. $25, mahal pa. Kaya hindi na ako masyadong napunta doon. Pero nga lang yung ibang gamit kasi nandun eh, kagaya ng bulak. Doon lang nakakabili. Ang raffles nila, cheaper. Ayan, guys. Yan, mabibili nyo mga snacks. May mga sale. Titignan nyo lang yung price para si CJ sanay na sa ugali ko, guys. Right? She used to it, mommy attitude already, right? Kaya siya nagdadala. Kasi pag wala kang tagadala, mayayamot na naman ako. Mainis naman ako. Tapos may mga frozen food sila, guys. Ayun, hiring sila ngayon. Parang maganda rin magtrabaho sa ganito eh. Kasi parang mahina ulo ko doon sa cashier. Magaling naman ako sa math. Kasi ewan ko, hindi ako, parang siguro hindi lang ako confident. Pero siguro try ko. Nakaya ko nga, nag-exam nga ako, nakakapasa ako eh, no? Minsan may pagkaano ako din. Kung naghahanap kayo mga juice, Gatorade, yan, dito nyo rin mabili sila. Tsaka mga kanto. Ayan, mabibili nyo rin yung mga bathroom cleaner, dishes, for the dishes, yung mga pinggan, para sa pinggan, mga snacks. Meron din sila yung pagkain sa aso, panlaba, yan. Do we have a laundry soap still? Yung mga pampabango sa kotse. And, meron din sila guys na pang yung puro dollar lang, 50 pesos. Mas mura pa sa $3 guys. Meron silang lahat dollar lang. Yung pagkain ng hayop guys. Ito, itong aisle na to, puro dollar yan. Okay, dito tayo. Kasi lahat na madampot mo dyan, dollar lang. How much that? Come here. Come here.
50 cents.
How much is it?
$8.50.
That's too much. Your budget only 50 cents. Ask them discount. Ask them to discount. Boy, you have to ask them. Please discount.
discount
I'm cute.
is-
Tell them I'm cute.
I'm cute.
Oh, tell them. Go. Ask them. Go. Say please, 50 cents.
Please, 50 cents.
I said ask them, not mommy. Are you cute?
50 cents.
Show me your dance. Power dance.